Hi guys, Noah here with Godby Travel. Here you will find tips and tricks on what to do and what not to do when traveling around the world. From hotel points and luxury stays like the Singapore Ritz-Carlton to backpacking budget-friendly hotels and hostels in Europe, I got you guys covered. I've been to over 20 countries and hundreds of destinations worldwide and want to share with you where to stay, what to do, and free things to do if you're on a budget. I'll also share the best restaurants and the best hotels for moderate prices, new credit card offers, my favorite credit card and credit card points, as well as free things to do in top cities worldwide like London, New York, Chicago, San Diego, San Francisco, Singapore, and more. I'll be uploading tips and tricks videos every week, so please stay tuned and like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.